I'm Chris McGarty here with Omnisight at the Regional Transportation Management Center in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And today we're going to be talking about the FusionSensor.
I'm Charles Rimke, Chief of ITS Operations, New Mexico DOT. We have some of the largest movements of trucks coming through the state along Interstate 10, where we have 3 of the 5 largest ports of entry. Port of Houston, Port of Long Beach, and we have Port of Los Angeles. New Mexico sits right in the middle of those locations, and we're right at the 11 hours length of service where commercial vehicle operators have to pull over and they have to find a place in which to park and rest for a period of 11 hours.
Truckers today face a real problem with an estimated 1 parking spot per 11 trucks on the road. When a trucker is tired, has reached his destination, or has run out of time, he needs a place to park. If his planned parking destination is full, he either has to spend around an hour looking for another parking spot, park on the shoulder of the highway, or park illegally. In addition to congestion, this can cause safety issues for drivers and for the enforcement agents who have to deal with these vehicles.
We realize that the biggest challenges of facing the commercial vehicle community is available parking. So we wanted to look at how not only we could supply that information in a seamless fashion, but how we could share it with our neighboring states so that that community could be able to not find themselves in a state of fatigue and be in compliance with FMCSA regulations and requirements.
By either monitoring spot-specific parking or the in and out traffic of a parking facility, we can provide accurate data on facility utilization.
Omnisight came to our attention via a trade show in which we saw their particular services, and we identified right away parking space availability monitoring, as well as entrance and exit monitoring a flow of trucks going into the rest areas. So in consideration of the ease of installation, the minimal disruption associated with the rest area's operations, as well as the accuracy and the reliability of the system, it became our choice of methodology and technology that we are going to use.
We are here at a rest area near Las Cruces, New Mexico, where our sensor is part of a truck parking solution being deployed across North America.
We were able to use existing infrastructure, and we had the system up and running and accurately working within 3 hours of being on site.
With our sensor, the fusion of video and radar will provide you with reliable and precise data, no matter the weather or lighting conditions. Through our installation partners, this information can be distributed to truckers via app or roadside sign to help them make better decisions for when and where to stop for a rest, making your rest area more safe and accessible while providing you with detailed utilization information.
Information is powerful. Data and being able to utilize it and leverage it, not only with what's going on in operations in real time, but being able to use projections, being able to use it in ways we really don't have our hands around now with the advent of AI and how it can be ingested and used. I think it's going to be a very, very valuable tool.
For an in and out counting solution, we classify and count all vehicles entering or leaving a facility. If a vehicle is traveling the wrong way, we can provide notifications to both the operator of the facility via email and the driver via roadside signs.
There's very strong interest in the expansion going eastward along the Gulf Coast states. So they too want to recognize that level of continuity that'll enhance productivity and safety and reliability of our infrastructure.
Omnisight, powering safer journeys, enabling smarter cities.